Hello, welcome to Nature Knows. Nature Knows is a channel that teaches science, agriculture, nature, and everything that deals with science. Now, have you ever asked yourself, how does feeding occurs in a given habitat? In aquatic habitat, in terrestrial habitat, or in arboreal habitat? Now, today, we are demonstrating a simple food chain. Now, what is a food chain? A food chain is a linear feeding relationship in a given habitat that shows how energy is transferred from one organism to the other organism. So we are going to use the disposable carbs to demonstrate this food chain. Now, food chain always begins with plants, and plants are known as producers. Now, from plants, we move to primary consumer, the secondary consumer, and the tertiary consumer. So we are just using this disposable carbs. Now, first is the grass. Now, the grass is a producer. Now, the grass gains energy from the sun and use it to manufacture its food. Now, this is a grasshopper. It's a herbivore. It's a primary consumer. This, as you see over here, is a baboon. It's a secondary consumer, or it can be a herbivore. And this is also a tertiary consumer that can eat both plant and animal. Now, let's see. Now, the first thing that you see is that the grass is ready. So the grasshopper will hop, quack, 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 boom. So now the grasshopper has eaten the grass. So the energy from the grass has stayed in the grasshopper. Now the grasshopper is working very nicely. So the baboon also takes baboon, 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 crap. Now the baboon too has also eaten the grasshopper, which has transferred the energy to the baboon. Now the baboon is also moving about in the jungle, or it's moving about in the grassland. Then the leopard also moves in, crouch. Now it is also eating the baboon to gain the energy. So the energy transfer from the grass to the grasshopper to the baboon, now it has entered the leopard. So the leopard has now gained the energy. What happened to the leopard? The leopard may end up dead. Then when the leopard died, now the body is being decomposed by microorganisms in the soil. So today, to demonstrate simple chain in a food chain in a given habitat, you can just use these carbs as you see over here. Then when these carbs are used, you can just rearrange them in a way that it can balance. So first, this one eats the grass, this one eats the grasshopper, and the leopard also eats the baboon. Now the energy stays in the baboon ends up dead, and the body is being decomposed or broken down by microorganisms in the soil. If today is the first day watching me, please